Hi, in this video I want to show you how to optimize your WIX blog posts for the search engines. So let's get to it. We're going to create a new post, and for the sake of this video I already have my content created, so I'm just going to be copying and pasting. So we're going to add our title, and I'm going to add also the content of my post. Now, as you can see, ideally I would have to add a photo to each one of these steps, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do it to one. So, step 2, this is where I'm going to add an image, and I'm going to upload it. And once it's uploaded, then you see on your right, on your upper right, that it's going to show me the name of my file. So instead of that, I'm actually going to give it a title. A title I'm going to use is selecting a challenge with pixels. And as you can see here, Wix already created some tags for my image. So I'm going to change it to something that is more related to my blog post. So in this case, I'm going to do pixels, pixels challenge. And I'm going to add it to the page. Once you've added your image, then you're going to see that it shows you a little menu at the top of the photo. Go to settings. And in settings, you're also going to add the title of your image and the alt text. The alt text is not just important for your search engines, but it's also important for people who have disabilities. This is how it's going to read to them and describe the image to them if they have some type of disability. So I clicked on. So just think that you're doing that for every single of your images. I know it's a lot of work, but it pays off, trust me. So another step is also adding some hashtags to your post. I personally do it at the bottom of my post, so it's not too invasive. But yes, this is very important for the search engines. Now, this is where it gets interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and copy the little text I have here. When I go to settings on my left, this is where you would change the cover of your post. So let's say you share it on Facebook, then that's the image it's gonna show. And right here, it gives you a little space for your excerpt. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Sorry, English is not my first language. I paste it. And then I go to SEO. And here you see how your link would show. It is quite long. So technically it would look like ingriddietrich.com/blogs/how-to. So I kind of don't want that. So I'm just going to shorten it to something that is easier for someone to type it if they need to. Here's the title of the post for the search engines, and this is going to be the description. This is going to pick up something from your blog, but sometimes it picks up stuff you don't want to have. So I usually use the same text that I use on my excerpt. And then finally, you click where your blog post is going to be sent within your blog. It's almost like a submenu. So in this case, I'm going to do these two. So that's pretty much it. Technically, if you follow all these steps, if your content mentions keywords that are related to your website too, that's going to really help you to get more traffic to your website. I just received my Google Analytics report for this month, and well, I don't get a lot of clicks right now. I mean, I think I had like 400 clicks for the month of March, but 98% of those clicks were actually related to some blog posts I did related to National Geographic. So yeah, your blog is extremely important Please remember to share on Facebook and on Twitter, any of your social media platforms that you use. Share your posts. That's going to give organic traffic to your website when people click on it. And also the search engines are going to start creating that connection. Oh, this Facebook page is related to this website. And so it's going to be showing up higher and higher on the Google search ranking. So that's it. That's all I want to share with you for today. Feel free to request content if there's something you're interested in, and I will be happy to create a post for you or make you a video. Have a good day.